The manifesto is a commitment of Prime Minister Modi's government and our government under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi that would be coming up in Odisha towards the betterment and the welfare of the people of Odisha. The government of Modi, when it gives a commitment, it means that it would be doing such works. So the best thing about this entire manifesto is the Subhadra Yojana. We would like to give 50,000 worth voucher to women. That's something which is, I think, very new. And number two, all the problems that the farmers are facing when their paddy is being lifted would be done away with. 3,100 rupees per quintal would be given to the farmers when their paddy is purchased. Cold storages would come up everywhere. And very interesting thing, the third thing which the National President said was regarding the electricity. Household electricity in Odisha would be completely free because of the solar panels that would be put on the roofs of all the households. So once it is done, the electricity will be free for the consumers, number one, and number two, whatever extra electricity which is generated will be purchased by the government. So I think host of things have been said. And fourth thing, of course, there was a lot of focus on infrastructure. 75,000 kilometers of roads would be done. This is marvelous. In fact, very much required to have roads done if you really want to increase the pace of development. All these state highways will be connected with the Gram Panchayat headquarters. So I think it's a very forward-looking manifesto. And as I said earlier, मोदी जी की सरकार जो कहती है वो करती है, और एक बार हमारी सरकार आ जाए, जो बातें कही गई हैं वो निश्चित तौर पर जमीन पर उतारी जाएंगी.